Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a muffled sound effect on CapCut PC. Select your video.
Testing.
That was loud. Select your video. Sorry, your audio, and you're going to add it here to your timeline. You're going to go to the part where you want it to be muffled. I'm just going to make it different here. Select the audio that you want to muffle, go to voice changer, and then go to voice filters and select the megaphone one. I'm trying to find it. Or you can select the telephone one as well.
Thing one.
You can either select the telephone or the megaphone, which I am not
Thing one.
seeing, honestly. Well, just choose either. And this should look like, it should sound like this.
Testing 1 2 3.
So it's a little bit muffled than the rest. You can up the strength a little bit.
Testing 1 2 3.
But that is pretty much it. You can either use the megaphone or the telephone one if you can't find it. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget, oh, it's right there.
Thing 1.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.